Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yes, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Librans. On your side we have the Nine of Swords, a lot of anxiety, tension, overthinking going on regarding something. Let's see what's there on your person's side. What's there on the person's side for Librans? On your person's side, we have the Seven of Pentacles. So this person is just wondering as to what's going on. They are reviewing and contemplating. They really don't know what's going on in the situation. They are just waiting perhaps for something. They really know they have invested a lot in this relationship, but perhaps the results were not as expected, so they don't know what to do. So let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. Most likely outcome, we have the Page of Wands. So some sort of a new beginning can be expected, a small step forward perhaps in some way. So let us see what is this Nine of Swords about on your side. So let's see what is this Nine of Swords about for Librans. So for the Nine of Swords, we have the Queen of Cups, the Judgment, the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, the High Priestess, okay, and the Ace of Cups. So let's see anyway. What is the Seven of Pentacles about? What is the Seven of Pentacles on your person's side, Librans? So for the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Six of Cups, the Empress, again the Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Justice. Nine of Swords is showing up on their side also. Okay, let us see what is this Page of Wands about as the most likely outcome. So this is the Knight of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Ten of Swords, the Page of Swords, Temperance, that is the Five of Cups. So Librans, what I feel here is that there is a situation in which you were very, very emotional about. Okay, you had a lot of emotions, you showed them or not, I don't know, but then yes, you were very, very emotional about a situation with the Queen of Cups being there. And see, we have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the High Priestess, and the Judgment, and the Two of Swords. So what I feel here is the anxiety is about a decision which is wanting to be made, or there is a decision which is waiting to be made by you or the other person. So it is talking about a decision with the Judgment and the Two of Swords being there. So there is a situation in which some sort of a decision should be made, and or you are trying to make. Okay, you are really wishing for things to be okay. With the Judgment being there, you are wishing and praying for this wish to be granted because you were very, very emotional about it. One more thing is with the Queen of Pentacles, I think you have focused on yourself, you have worked on yourself, you are now perhaps clear as to what you want, with the High Priestess also being there, and with the Ace of Cups, now you are ready to open up. So what I feel is there must have been this situation in your life which you were emotional about, and there was a decision to be made, but perhaps that decision was not made. Because of that, there is a lot of anxiety, and that decision seems to be regarding opening up emotionally. Okay, opening up emotionally or offering your love or whatever. So what I feel here is the anxiety is that you are emotional about something, you really want this to sort out, you want a decision to be made, you're praying and wishing that this wish to be granted with the Queen of Pentacles and the Two of Swords and the Hermit. What I feel here is that you have been very, very intuitive all this time. You're trying to sort out or balance whatever is going on, the anxiety and the tension which is going on in your head. You are trying to sort it out and balance it. You are trying to listen to your inner voice, and you are wanting this decision in some way. So there is some decision which needs to be made by you perhaps, and that seems to be regarding this opening up for a relationship. Okay, but what the situation here is that no decision has been made either, or at least uh, no action has been taken forward in that direction. So whatever is it is going on in your own head, it is in your own brain. You have not acted on it, or things have not moved forward, and you have not opened up or you have not offered your love, you have not offered them your emotions, whatever it is. So the anxiety is regarding a decision which you really want. It can be some sort of a reconciliation, it can be some sort of a reunion, or something you really wish for, and that is regarding opening up emotionally, but you have not acted on it, you have not shown your emotions. So that is what is going on in your head. Okay. On your person side, we have the Seven of Pentacles. So for the Seven of Pentacles, this person is wondering, as I said, we have the Six of Cups, the Empress, the Seven of Pentacles again, the Page of Wands, Justice, and the Nine of Swords. So this person also wants some sort of a reconciliation. At least they want the happy times back. They want a new beginning. They know they have invested a lot in this situation. They've really nourished it from the core of their heart. With the Page of Wands, the Justice, and the Nine of Swords, what I feel is they are also anxious. There has been a lot of anxiety on their part also. They are also desiring some sort of a balance and justice in this situation. They want things to be sorted out, and the Page of Wands, maybe some sort of a new beginning or some step forward may be taken to balance this situation. Okay, because this person is also having those sleepless nights. So energies at some way, at some point in time, they are similar on both the sides. The most likely outcome, we have the Page of Wands. So for that, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Ten of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Temperance. So what I feel is, with the Ten of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, yes, love is there, definitely, slowly and steadily. Perhaps you are ready for a new beginning, for the Page of Wands being there, so you're ready to show up. I think with the Emperor, this is somebody who has, I think, who is very, very mature and balanced and in the position of authority perhaps. But with the Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, and the Temperance, so I think this cycle is completed. Something is ending over here. And with the Page of Swords, maybe this person is ready to show up, or this person is ready to balance this situation, whatever it was, with the Temperance being there. So with the Page of Swords, so with the Ten of Swords, this cycle is coming to an end. With the Page of Swords, this person has the clarity, okay, now this is how I need to move forward. And with the Temperance, with this communication, with this clarity, with this step forward, the situation, the balance will be restored in this situation. That's what I feel. So a small step forward may be taken in this direction, can be expected to be taken in this direction for this relationship. And once this person is ready to show up, or this small step is taken forward, what I feel is that the situation will get balanced. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Back to what you love. Reevaluate your desires. Number 3 may be of some significance for you. So maybe you are getting back to the person whom you thought was not meant for you, or something like that, and maybe now you have realized that you need to get back to that person. So you just need to understand where your happiness lies, and then move forward in that direction. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.